Morning guys, I am now leaving my friend Michael and Jen's place and have decided to head down to a beach. I've got like a couple of days left here in the Philippines, so it's about 7 a.m. in the morning and I've decided to head down to Puerto Galera, which is about a 4-hour drive south of Manila, and to get there I need to catch a bus, and in order to catch a bus I need to get a Grab taxi. So let's head on down to Puerto Galera and check out some of the beach vibes here in Philippines. Thank you, boss. I'll just grab my bag. So we're here at the Jam Liner bus depot. I'm going to catch a bus to Batangas Pier. Alright guys, we made it here onto the bus. We are at Jam Liner bus terminal in Cuba. We are heading down to Batangas Pier, which is around 4 hours south of Manila. We're going to head there and then jump on a boat and head across to an island called Puerto Galera and check out some of the vibes around Puerto Galera. The name itself is Spanish because it was colonized by Spaniards back in the day, and hopefully I can hire a motorbike and check out some of the island vibes, waterfalls, beaches, and get some of that fly cam footage for you. And who knows, may even grab a snorkel and do a cook and catch. Let's head on down. So to catch this bus to Batangas Pier, you need to come to Jam Liner bus terminal in Cuba, and the fare is around 207 pesos, which works out to be $5 or $6 New Zealand, and the bus can fill up really quickly. Here goes the bus. We're now heading into the ticketing booth. Grab a vessel to Puerto Galera. So you buy your ticket for the ferry here, and then you come over here and you buy a terminal ticket. That's to use this terminal here. It's about 30 pesos. So we're going to go over and grab a terminal ticket and then head through those doors over there. Alright, so this is the terminal ticket that you get from here. And now with the terminal ticket I can enter the building over here where the security is, which we will go and do right now. because we are about to sail in 30 minutes. So it's quite confusing when you get here to the terminal, but Terminal 3 is where you need to get your ticket to go to Puerto Galera. And once you get your ticket from one of the ticketing agencies there, because each ticketing agency has a different boat, I've gone with the Genesis one, which is kind of not too fast and not too slow. After that, you need to get a terminal fee from another place, which basically means you've got to pay for being inside the terminal. So it costs $300 for the ticket to go on the ferry one way, and $30 for the terminal fee. So just remember that, guys, if you come here and you want to go to Puerto Galera. Thank you, boss. So it doesn't look too busy here on the ferry, which is pretty cool. I did check out some of the ocean we're traveling over, and it looks a bit choppy, but hopefully it'll clear up on the other side. Apparently for the next couple of days it's going to be beautiful weather, so I'm glad about that. You can get some good fly cam footage. Got the music going here in the background. Anyway, guys, it's about lunchtime. I'm feeling a little bit hungry. I can't wait to get to the island. Please fasten your seatbelts, but there is no seatbelt.
Go. Oh, papot mo na, papot! Ay! Let's go. Coco Beach, sir. Coco Beach. Yes, boss. How many persons, sir? Bicycle, boss? Bicycle. Assalamualaikum, Kadir. Assalamualaikum.
Alright, guys, I'm here. I've hired a motorbike from this lovely man, Dennis the Menace.
From King David Motorbike Rental.
King David Motorbike Rentals, right next to the pier.
Right next to the pier, very near.
Puerto Galera pier.
Puerto Galera Muelle pier.
And this guy, you just come, turn right, and you can rent a lovely motorbike and a nice smiley face. Alright, I'll see you later.
Thank you later.
Take care.
Halan lang. Ipapalabas tayo sa TV.